Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to access the Gems feature inside of Gemini for free. So this is a feature that's a bit hidden, especially if you're using Gemini for free, because the Gems tab, as you can see here on the left hand side of your screen, isn't usually native to free users. So how you would want to see this Gem tab is either A, by creating your own gem, or B, by creating a copy of a pre-made gem. So to get started, you're going to want to open up Gemini as I've done so here. And then in your URL, change the /app to /gems/view. So what this does is it's going to open up the gem manager as well as gem labs. And this is a hidden page that normally doesn't show up unless the feature has been used before. So here you can either create a gem using the new opal feature, this one right here, though I haven't done much experimenting with it yet, or you can also use the previous iteration of Gemini Gems right here at the bottom. So as you can see, here's a gem manager, and here are some gems pre-made by Google. So if you haven't used this feature before, you can start a chat using one here, or you can also make a copy by clicking on the context menu of some of the pre-made gems and making a copy that way. Once that's done, and you go refresh your Gemini page, once you open your sidebar, you should be able to see the Gems tab right here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.